Let's analyze the basic light workflow in Mental Ray. Mental Ray Light provides the artist with the options of turning it on or off, the type of the light to be selected, spot, directional, omni, shadow calculation, intensity, and the color. One of the most useful tool is the attenuation tool, which provides the artist with an idea of each light rendering what area of the scene. In area light parameters, the artist can define values for radius and samples, which provide a softer shadow. After these, all the options are advanced, and the artist can set the energy, photons, GI photons for each light separately. Furthermore, the artist should adjust the indirect illumination tab for the quality and light samples of the scene. More quality would take more time in rendering for the final gather, as well as for the GI, known as global illumination. Once turned on, the artist can set the numbers of photon samples, light samples for each properties, and these FG and GI renders can be saved so they can be reused at any later stage, saving time for the artist. These are best used in still images. Let's analyze the basic workflow of light in V-Ray. V-Ray provides its own specific V-Ray light. First of all, the artist can use the active shade mode to analyze what scene is being illuminated by each light or all the lights in the scene before rendering. Further, in the light properties, the artist gets an option of on and off, excluding a certain object to be illuminated or having any shadow casted by a particular light, intensity to be depending on the units, or real light properties like luminous or radiant, mode again to select the color by color mode, or temperature as in reality. In V-Ray, the size of the light also matters. The bigger the size of the light, the more illumination it would create. In the options, it provides the options of basic parameters of each light to cast shadows to be invisible or visible in the scene, and furthermore. These are the only basic options provided by the light in V-Ray. After this, to have better quality, the artist would just have to go to indirect illumination and turn on GI and set the GI values for the best result. With GI calculation to be irradiance map, then artists can use the values in irradiance map, and having the presets of high, quality, medium, low, and can select to whatever it requires. And further, the GI can also be saved for further use in future, saving a lot of time for the artist.